Plant blindness, as defined by Wondesi and Schussler, is the tendency to ignore plants in our environment. Some effects of plant blindness includes the lack of adequate plant conservation efforts and the decline in the number of plant science degrees offered by colleges. But why should we care? The solution to solving many issues like global warming, the need for new medicines, and food security all depends on plants and people with expertise in plant science. So how do we prevent plant blindness and its resulting effects? Plant scientists and plant enthusiasts have had increased exposure to plants from early childhood in the form of inspiring teachers, a pastime of gardening, or growing up on a farm, leading to their interest in plants throughout their lives. This exposure is what makes them different from those of us who are plant blind. With that, let me introduce Beneath the Surface, a project aimed at reducing plant blindness through botanical exploration and learning. The design concept created consists of three elements: an exhibit, an app, and the transition between them. The exhibit is a digital representation of plants and their responses to certain conditions in their environment. A visitor would start interacting with this exhibit by scanning a QR code near it. This opens a web page that gives a preview of what the user can expect from the app. It introduces the user to a plant that needs help to grow. The following sequence of interactions include animations of the plants in the exhibit responding to events in their environment and the user's actions. The sequence ends with a link to download the app or an opportunity to explore similar plant-related experiences. The app is a tool to aid the discovery of new experiences. The main feature of the app is the Discover section that helps users get acquainted with plants through different mediums. Experiences could range from movies, poetry, nature walks, exhibits, and more. The sequence shown here illustrates an example of the possibilities the app offers. Users can choose at every stage the kind of activities they would like to do. Each activity includes the ability to record its completion. Every time a record is made, it contributes to the growth of the plants in a digital garden. Helping these plants grow to maturity allows the user to learn more about the real plants the digital versions were inspired from. What can this change? A person might gain the confidence to grow a garden. A student might consider plants as a possible career choice, and a museum might choose to display an array of plant-related experiences to gain advantage over competitors who don't have them. But most importantly, people will no longer be blind to plants.